Welcome to this video on electrical instruments. Today, we're exploring the basics of PMMC and moving iron instruments, the essential tools for electrical engineering. Measuring electricity is a challenge because it's invisible. Meters function by converting electrical energy into mechanical movement, allowing us to read and understand the values. Every indicating instrument relies on three specific torques: a deflecting torque to move the pointer, a controlling torque to oppose it, and a damping torque to stabilize it. The PMMC, or Permanent-Magnet Moving Coil instrument, works by passing current through a light coil situated within a strong magnetic field, which then rotates the coil. PMMC meters face a significant problem with alternating current. Because AC reverses direction every half cycle, the torque also reverses, resulting in a zero reading. Moving iron instruments can measure both AC and DC. They use a fixed coil to create a magnetic field that moves a piece of soft iron. The advantage here is the squared current relationship. Since torque is proportional to the square of the current, negative values become positive, ensuring the pointer moves in one direction. In summary, PMMC is ideal for DC with high precision, while moving iron instruments are more cost-effective and capable of measuring both AC and DC. To measure larger currents than a meter can handle, we use a shunt, a low-value resistor connected in parallel to bypass the heavy current. Conversely, to protect a voltmeter from high voltage, we connect a multiplier in series. This high-value resistor drops the voltage to a safe level. For industrial AC systems, we use instrument transformers. Current and potential transformers step down high power levels, isolating the meter from dangerous energy. Keep in mind that no instrument is perfect. Common sources of error include temperature variations, stray external magnetic fields, and hysteresis in the iron components. You now have a solid understanding of these measurement tools. From PMMC precision to AC durability and industrial scaling, you are ready to master electrical measurement.